So with today's video, we're going to go through a little bit of a talk about what we did to sort of start rejuvenating this 87 4Runner. So welcome back to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Wanted to give you a little tip that we had for when we went in to open this vehicle back up. Many of you already know about this because if you have any vehicle that sat around in a barn or under a tree like we did over here for years, you know that eventually it starts smelling inside and smelling a little bit unpleasant. So what we did was we take our car, open it up, air it out, but also we use one of these ozone machines. Place it in there, turn it on. This one here has a timer so you can time it. Doesn't take a whole lot because there's just not a lot of air space in the vehicle to treat. But what the ozone machine does, it creates ozone in the air in the vehicle, which will attack living organisms. It's more of a natural way of doing it. It will attack single-celled organisms, bacteria, mold, mildew, all this type of stuff. It also will curtail some of your insect population and make it unfriendly for mice and other rodents to take up residence, or if they have taken up residence, to exit the scene and go somewhere else. So that being said, there is some caveats to be said for this, which is when it's running, you don't want humans to be near it because it does cause issues with your lungs and other soft membranes in your body. Of course, I'm not a medical expert, so you consult your own experts for all that, but that is one warning, I guess. Just don't go in there while it's running. The ozone that is produced actually dissipates pretty quickly from what the literature says. It dissipates and turns back into regular run-of-the-mill oxygen. When you do this, you will actually also be mitigating and killing any odors that have started to occur in the vehicle. You probably want to make sure that you're keeping the vehicle dry from here on out so that you don't have any more reoccurrence of mold or mildew that would pop up and cause more odors. As long as you have a way to keep it dry, put it in your garage or what have you, and then run your ozone machine so that you can take away all of the sources of those odors. If you want to get an ozone machine like this, which we purchased from Amazon, I will go ahead and put a link down below in the notes to allow you to quickly go get that ozone machine for yourself, and make sure you read the instructions and follow them for your purposes. Again, all of this is done at your own risk. You have to work with it on your own to determine how it works best for you and for your purposes. Stay tuned. We're going to be running some more videos of us rejuvenating this 87 4Runner, getting it back up to running condition and get it on the road. So if that's your cup of tea, check back in with us or check out these other videos that we have posted here. And we look forward to seeing you again next time here on Driving It Home.